Hello guys, this is Prime Concept and we'll have a problem to analyze in this video, still looking at coordinate geometry and starting with straight lines. So we want to look at this problem. The question says, find the point that divides into three equal parts. So there are points that divides a line into three equal parts. Now, if you have a straight line that is being divided into three equal parts, it means you would have how many points dividing that? 2 points. So find the point that divides into three equal parts a straight line segment joining the 2 points A and B. So let's draw or let's sketch the diagram for this and see how it would look. So we have a straight line A. I will have negative, okay? So sketching this would give us something like this. So for my point A, I have 5. Okay, let's say this point is 5. Roughly sketching, and this is 6. And let's say this point is let's say 2, this point is 3. Let's say this point is -2, this point is -3, and so on. So this is how to roughly sketch. You don't have to include all the points you have. So we have point x to be 5 against y as -2. So 5 against y as -2. So this is point A. This is point A, which has values 5 and -2. Now let's sketch point B, which is 6 for x and then 3 for y. So we have this. So this is point B, 6 and 3. Right? So if I join this, because this is a straight line I'm dealing with, if I join this, so this is what we're trying to do. I was trying to find the coordinate of the point that divides the line into three equal parts. So in order for you to divide this line AB into three equal parts, it means you should have 2 points. So let's say this is point C and call the other point D. Right? So what it simply means is that the distance from A to C is equal to the distance from C to D, is equal to the distance from D to what? B. That is what it means. So we want to find the coordinates of point C and the coordinates of point D. Now, we want to call them the coordinates of point C. Let's call them A, comma B, or say A1, B1. Then coordinates of point D, let's call them A2, comma B2. So that is what we want to find. Now, we're going to use the concept of internal division, because point C and point D are dividing the line AB internally. So we're going to use the idea of internal division. So let's consider point C alone, right? Dividing. Now you will notice that if we are looking at point C, it means that point C divides the line AB in the ratio. We can say this is 1, then this is going to be what? 2. So point C divides the line AB in the ratio 1:2. Because if this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, then if you're considering AC is going to be 1, then C to B is going to be 2, right? So point C divides in ratio 1:2, right? So that for me to find my coordinates, which is A1, which represents your x coordinate, it's going to simply be lx2 plus mx1 divided by what? L plus m. So using this, our L in this case is what? 1 into our x2. Remember, we're considering this as 2. So our x2 is 6, then plus our x1 is 5. So we have 2 into 5, right? Divided by 1 plus 2, which is L ratio m, 1 plus 2. So my A1 is going to simply be this 6 plus 10. 6 plus 10 is 16 divided by 3, right? Now, in same manner, I'm going to find my B1 still for point C. So my B1 is going to be ly2 plus my1 divided by L plus M. So I'm going to have my L is 1 into Y2. Y2 is 3 plus M, which is 2, into Y1. Y1 is minus 2. Minus 2. All divided by L plus M, which is 1 plus 2. So that my B1 becomes what now? This is 3. 3 minus 4 divided by 3. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 divided by 3. So that the coordinates for my point C is simply going to be 16 divided by 3, and then minus 1 by 3. So I've gotten the coordinates of point C. The next thing I want to do is to find the coordinates of point D. So I'll repeat the same process. Now, in what ratio does D divide the line AB? Tell me the answer, put it in the comment section, then play the video and check if your answer is correct. D divides the line in the ratio. Remember, we're dividing line AB. So D divides the line in the ratio 2:1, because from here to here, say it is 1. From here to here, it is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2:1. So D divides the line AB in the ratio 2:1. So if we consider this, then we can find the coordinate A2 to be Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M. So which is going to be L, which is 2 this time around. X2 is what? 6 plus M, which is 1, into my X1, which is what? 5, right? Divided by 2 plus 1. So that my A2 becomes 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 divided by 3. 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17 divided by 3. Now I want to find B2, which is my Y in this case. So it's going to be Ly2 plus My1 divided by L plus M. So what do I have as my L2? Into my Y2 is 3 plus M, which is 1. My Y1 is minus 2. All divided by 2 plus 1. So that my B2 becomes 6 minus 2 divided by 3. 6 minus 2 is 4 divided by 3. So that my coordinate for point D is simply going to be 17/3, 4/3. So these are the coordinates of the points C and D that divide the line AB into 3 equal parts. So I believe this is very clear to you. If you have followed my video up till this point and you are getting values from my video, please do well to hit the subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed. Comment on my videos, like, and share with 10 of your friends so that they can also benefit. Tell them this is Prime Concept. Thank you.